Hey guys, welcome back for another YouTube video. We are playing Zero Caliber's free shooting range. We're gonna try it out. It's my very first time playing it, so we're gonna play it with you there, bud, with people. What the is this? What is it? Is it a 50? Hold up, wait a minute. Hold on, wait, hold up, wait a minute. Oh, there's an explosive barrel over there. Was it? Okay, that's awesome. Well, sorry for I'm gonna say this before we start. I'm sorry for missing 2 months of recording. So it's just time flies very, very fast. So we're gonna. Oh my lord, what is it? They changed this so much. Like, if this is what the Zero Caliber looks like now, they changed it so much, and my arm looks so much different. 3 grenades, 1 knife. Okay, so we're gonna figure out how to make a loadout, and we're gonna go to the shooting range. We're gonna wander. We're gonna see what we can do here. Let's do this. SMGs. I don't think I want an SMG.
Oh my god, guys!
Don't worry. If you can hear my brother, don't worry about him. He's you know. Oh, I might want this SMG though. No, I'm good. Definitely gonna take the ammo though. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can figure out how to play this. Oh, all the like attachments, assault rifles and rifles. Ooh, this is looking good. Now, this right here is one of my favorite guns. It's a modernized M1 Garand. Okay, let's grab ammo for this. Definitely taking that. Do I have back? Oh, I do have back, like, storage. Okay, good. Oh, okay. This is like sniper rifles. I don't need those. We're good. We're good. What's over here? Assault rifles. Yeah, that's what. Okay. I don't want any of those. I think we're gonna go with this one. This one. This one looks so good. They have so much detail in this game. Okay, let's start off with this. Put a scope on this real quick. Should we go with this one? What is this? Nope.
All the way down.
No. What is this? No. No. What is it? No. What is this? No. No. I'm looking for so. They still have it. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, that's fine. We're gonna paint match everything. Ooh, it's a little big for my liking. A suppressor. Paint matched. Oh, I need that. Laser, paint matched. Then an under thing. No, I'm good. Perfect. No, don't take it off. That's actually really nice clicking. Alright, we'll see if we can find a pistol over here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna use that. Well, I wonder if I can put a sniper scope on this. Is it like precise? No, it's not. This is ridiculous. So, oh, pistols and shotguns. Ooh, this is like a really old. Oh, pistols. This is what we're here for. This is what we're here for. Ooh, look at that python. Ooh, hello. Ooh, hello. What is your name? Okay. A 50 cal. I think we're gonna roll with a 50. Just because of the sound it makes. Make sure we have enough for that. Then we're gonna keep our stock, man. Well, we're gonna see how we can use these. Let's go see if we can find a place to use these. Kill house. Like, oh, stop! Kill house. Kill house. Kill house. Kill house. Oh, right at the bottom. Wait a minute. Is this what I think it is? Oh! Yes! Hello? Can I have this? No. Wait, can I put this on? Wait. I just do this and then put this on me. Oh, yes!
Welcome to the kill house. Shoot all the enemy targets without hitting
Okay.
the civilians.
Got it.
Get your name on the scoreboard by being the fastest.
Got you. Let's do this.
Round started. Better.
Okay, I probably shouldn't use this. Right, yeah, I probably shouldn't use that.
Solid stuff, soldier. Goodbye.
Oh, look at that. Let's hit with the 50 real quick. Scared me.
Nice shots.
We got one round. That's all we guys want. Just make it count.
Nice one.
Let's do a 4 shot.
Nice! I'm floating! Guys, I'm floating! I'm floating! I'm floating! Why did that
Sharp shooter.
Oh, we have more than one.
Round
Oh, minute
finished.
50.
Check your results on the
Why
scoreboard.
did I say 2 minutes? Well, I did technically do 2 minutes. Alright, let's see if we just run this. Just won the modern
Welcome
M1
to the
Grand.
kill house. Shoot all the enemy targets without hitting the civilians. Get your name on the scoreboard by being the fastest.
I got you. I got you, my boy. They got a lot of physics. I have a feel on where everybody is. Okay, that might have been on my ammo.
You're good.
Are you sure this right? Yeah, I still got ammo. That's it. I'm just running.
Wow, well done.
Shit.
You're good, Captain Bear. Impressive.
Get 2 in 1. 2 in 1 shot. That was a very good shot. No, I'm good.
You is not a moderator.
They should have spawned like right over here.
Hell of a shot.
How many civilians did I take?
Round
1!
up. Check your results on the scoreboard.
Okay, well. Hey, I'm a little rusty at VR, okay? Calm down. Calm down. I'm a little rusty at VR. Can I just wander around? Okay. Can I still... I still do it. Oh, it's my battery level. Good. Nope. Still can't do it. We're good. America, baby. Oh, hold on, America. Alright, let's run this.
Welcome to the kill
Do one more
house.
round.
Shoot all the enemy
fast as I
targets
can.
without hitting the civilians. Get your name on the scoreboard by being the fastest. Round started. Yes, perfect. Hell of a shot.
He's over like right behind you.
Wow, well done.
Reload before I get somewhere.
Amazing job. Keep up.
Almost shot that one.
Good one.
Perfecto. Come on, come on.
Brilliant. Round over.
Not even a
Check
minute.
your results on the scoreboard.
Oh, I'm not full auto. Hold on. Oh. Damn, not loading. Uh-oh. I was about to throw back. But guys, I'm going to end this right now. I will see y'all tomorrow, possibly see y'all tomorrow. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.